I'm Ken Bonanno, and I am a Edwards TAVR recipient. I'm 73 years old, and I'm retired now, but my career was an aviation mechanic. I love always doing things. I'm very active. When I had my valve replaced the first time, it was open heart surgery, and I was in the hospital for 4 days. The pain lasted for weeks afterward. When I started feeling the symptoms again for the second time, I was totally freaked out about it. I didn't really want to go through that again. But they were talking about this TAVR valve and showing me, explaining how they take the valve and they squish it up and they put it through my groin and dump it right into the old valve. Like, they don't even have to take it out. I was lucky because not everybody's a candidate for this valve, and I was. Instead of 4 days in pain, laying on my back, it was sleep overnight, wake up the next morning, have breakfast, see ya, and I went home. My recovery after TAVR was easy. I did all my normal stuff around the house, and in fact, I had the wife, she was on my case the whole time to tell me to slow down, but I felt great. 2 weeks after the valve, the wife and I took a cruise out of Venice. If you were told you need a valve replacement, ask your doctor or your cardiac doctor to send you to a heart team, and they'll lead you in the right direction. They'll tell you what you can have, but hopefully they'll tell you a TAVR valve, because trust me, it's the way to go.